Shot clock at 7.
Gotta get out of the lane.
KD to beat that buzzer, and he drops in a triple. Bob passed up that 3 to get JaVale the dunk. KD.
We'll see what Iguodala does there. He gives it up early to KD.
Oh, it's going to be Conley Gasol. Marc Gasol having it blocked. Rebound inside, blocked again. Out of bounds to the Warriors. Steph sheds the rookie and drops in a 3. Came on with a rebound.
They still haven't gotten the 20-point lead yet, and that is something the Warriors need.
Durant, a better look from 3. They have a miracle finish in them. Down 10. 4:23 left. 19. Conley and Gasol have done a little too much. It's the exact same play, by the way, that Conley was not fouled on. And KD with the block. And KD with the finish.